Good day, dear listeners. Welcome to Penguin Perspectives, where we explore the fascinating world of penguins. I'm your host, Karina. And joining me today are two estimated researchers in the field of ornithology, Dr. Ramzan and Dr. Aliya. Together we will dive into the behavior, habits, or diet, and one intriguing question: why do we steal them birds?
Thank you for having us, Karina. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss these remarkable creatures.
Absolutely, it's great to be here. Penguins are such a fascinating subject of study.
Okay, let's start with some basics. Dr. Ramzan, could you tell to our listeners about their behavior and habit?
Certainly. Penguins are highly adapted to life in the water of southern hemisphere. They spend a significant portion of their lives at sea, where they are incredibly agile swimmers, using their flipper-like wings to propel themselves through the water in search of prey. However, they also come ashore to breed and molt, forming large colonies on land or ice.
Dr. Aliya, and what about their diet?
Penguins primarily feed on fish, krill, squid, and other marine creatures. And their diet varies depending on their species and the availability of prey, their habitat. And they well equipped for hunting underwater. With their specialized beaks and streamlined bodies that allow them to catch their prey with precision.
Fascinating. Now on to the question often arises. Why are penguins still classified as birds despite their inability to fly?
That's an excellent question, and one that has intrigued scientists for years. While penguins have lost the ability to fly, they still possess many avian characteristics. For example, they have feathers, lay eggs, and possess similar skeletal structures to other birds. Additionally, genetic studies have confirmed their place within the bird lineage. So, despite their flightless status, penguins are indeed birds.
It is interesting how diverse the Avian family truly is. Dr. Aliya, could you shed some light on when penguins diverged from other bird species and how they came to inhabit the unique niche in the southern hemisphere?
Penguins' evolutionary history is quite fascinating. The earliest penguins' ancestors are believed to have appeared around 60 million years ago, shortly after the extinction of the dinosaurs. And about a million of years, they adapted to life in the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the southern hemisphere, eventually evolving into the diverse range of species we see today. And their loss of flight is likely occurred as a result of natural selection, favoring traits that were better suited to swimming and diving.
It is incredible to think about the evolution journey that has shaped penguins into the unique creatures we see today. Unfortunately, we're running short on time. Before we conclude, do either of you have any final thought to share with our listeners?
To be honest, I would just like to encourage everyone to continue exploring and appreciating the wonders of the natural world. Penguins are just one example of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. And by studying and protecting them, we can learn valuable lessons about conservation and biodiversity.
Absolutely, penguins are not only just fascinating creatures in their own right, but also serve as important indicators of the health of ecomarine system. And by working together to understand and to protect them, we can ensure a brighter future for penguins and the planet as a whole.
Thank you, Dr. Ramzan and Dr. Aliya, for joining us today and shaping your insights in the world of penguins. And thanks you to our listeners for tuning into Penguin Perspectives. Until the next time, keep exploring the wonders of natural world.
Thank you.
Thank you.